My name is Alex Eggler, and I am a career coach now, although that came after an 18-year career as an aerospace engineer. Basically, during the pandemic, the company I worked for went out of business, and I decided to try a new career and start my own coaching business and got into emotional intelligence coaching and eventually career coaching as well. Before I enrolled in the Authority Accelerator, I knew that I wanted to help people and form a coaching business, but I really didn't know where to start. I was kind of lost among all the different ideas and approaches. I had gotten an emotional intelligence certification because I thought that was kind of the area I wanted to go in, but I didn't really know how to find clients or really how to focus what I was doing. And so I was really just sort of out there kind of doing random things and hoping for the best for clients to come. So since joining the Authority Accelerator program, I have become so much more clear on what I can do to help people and what sort of my skills and story are really effective at helping my clients. Um, I managed to go from sort of no idea about how to find clients to very comfortable reaching out, talking with new people, getting them, sort of building rapport with them and making it so that they understand that I'm looking, to help them in coaching, but it doesn't feel super salesy. It doesn't feel artificial or forced. It's really easy for me to just reach out and talk to people. And a big part of that is because of the process that the AA program led me to, meeting clients, understanding how to find the ones that I would really click with, and then just what to do and say in those situations. And practicing it and getting better at it has made it so much easier. That part of it is really not a stress or a concern at all. So now I wake up every day knowing, exactly what the things I need to do for my business are and what's going to help me the most and find new people that can join my program and just, not being stressed at all about how I'm going to interact with them or what's going to happen in the meetings because I've kind of been through the practice and know what to expect and how to do it. One of the most clear-cut examples of what I've accomplished since joining the A program is building the online program, running it as a cohort of one person who I've taken through almost the entire program at this point, and really understanding how to take what used to be kind of a one-on-one coaching and very intensive program that I did into something that I'm building for him to do, and he understands how to do it. And I can see how doing that will be much more effective for him and much easier on me in the long run. So I've taken the one-on-one coaching aspects that I've done, and I've really made it into this online course that now he can go to and take and do it on his own time and not really need to, involve me in every step of the way. And I can just see how in doing this, I've made something that's actually much more appealing to my clients that they were really, a lot of people that I talked to were really excited about the idea of having the flexibility and freedom to do it themselves. My niche is actually around helping parents find flexible jobs. And so one of the difficulties is, these are parents who already are feeling very stressed. They usually have stressful jobs and they have kids that, they're trying to balance all of the things they need to do for that. And so one-on-one, hour-long set interviews or coaching sessions is really difficult to find time for. But being able to do it on your own time and feeling like it's all laid out for you to do around your own schedule is a much more reasonable way for the people that I'm trying to work with to get through the program. If you're thinking about joining the Authority Accelerator program, I would say that the clear-cut value comes from just having the path laid out and understanding exactly how to get through each step to build something that is really scalable and, a lot more interesting and fun to do than just constant kind of one-on-one coaching sessions. Because you get really focused in on one area and you become, really an expert in that one thing, and it's something that is meaningful to you, the process takes you there on purpose. So the program that you build is something you really love and enjoy doing, and that makes it so much easier and so much more fun to do. and also much allows you to scale it much better than having to work one-on-one with clients. So I think to me, the biggest piece is just having that path laid out to get to something that I enjoy doing, but also made it easier for me to do and help more people at the same time.